Welcome to LearnFormula Education. In today's fast-paced world where technology shapes decisions and defines interactions, ethical leadership isn't just a trait, it's a necessity. Whether you're a leader navigating digital transformations or simply curious about how ethics intersect with technology, this video is for you. Disruptive technologies like artificial intelligence, or AI, big data, and blockchain are evolving faster than ever, bringing new ethical challenges. From data privacy concerns to AI biases, organizations face risks that demand not just technical solutions, but strong moral compasses. But here's the catch. Many of these ethical challenges aren't new. They're just showing up in new ways. Consider AI. Its ethical risks are well documented, yet without awareness, these issues often go unnoticed. Organizations might implement cutting-edge technologies without fully understanding the potential ethical consequences, leading to unintended harm. Let's take data privacy, for example. As companies collect more personal information, the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access increases. Misuse of data can lead to identity theft, discrimination, and loss of trust. Similarly, algorithms designed to make life easier can unintentionally reinforce societal biases if they're trained on flawed data. Even the deployment of surveillance technology raises concerns about individual freedoms and the potential for misuse. Another critical challenge is the accountability gap. When technology makes decisions, who is responsible when something goes wrong? Is it the developer who coded the algorithm, the organization that implemented it, or the end user who relied on it? This ambiguity can create ethical blind spots, allowing harmful practices to continue unchecked. Ethical leadership means more than knowing what's right. It's about fostering awareness, promoting accountability, and creating cultures where ethical considerations drive every decision. Leaders set the tone for organizational behavior. When ethics are prioritized, it influences every layer of the company, from the boardroom to the front lines. Consider companies that have faced public backlash due to ethical missteps, data scandals, discriminatory practices, or environmental violations. In most cases, these issues could have been avoided with strong ethical leadership. Leaders who encourage open dialogue, question the status quo, and prioritize transparency help prevent unethical behavior from taking root. Moreover, ethical leadership isn't just about avoiding negative outcomes. It's a catalyst for positive change. Organizations with strong ethical foundations attract top talent, foster customer loyalty, and drive long-term success. When employees feel their work aligns with their values, they're more engaged, productive, and committed. For instance, companies like Patagonia and Ben Jerry's have built their brands around ethical principles. Their commitment to social and environmental causes isn't just good PR, it's integral to their identity and a key factor in their success. These organizations demonstrate that ethical leadership can be a competitive advantage, not a hindrance. So, how can organizations lead ethically in the digital era? Foster awareness. Regularly educate teams about emerging ethical challenges. Ethics training shouldn't be a one-time event. It should be an ongoing process that evolves with the organization and the broader technological landscape. Encourage employees to stay informed about new developments and think critically about their implications. Promote accountability. Clearly define who's responsible for ethical decision-making. Establish structures and processes that support ethical behavior, such as ethics committees, compliance programs, and whistleblower protections. Make sure employees know how to report concerns without fear of retaliation. Embed ethics in culture. Make ethics part of daily operations, not just policies. Integrate ethical considerations into decision-making processes, performance evaluations, and strategic planning. Celebrate ethical behavior and recognize employees who exemplify the organization's values. Lead by example. Leaders must model the behavior they expect from others. Demonstrate integrity, transparency, and a willingness to admit mistakes. show that ethics are non-negotiable, even when faced with pressure to cut corners or prioritize short-term gains. Engage diverse perspectives. Diversity isn't just about representation, it's about inclusion. Ethical decision-making benefits from a wide range of viewpoints. Encourage diverse teams to challenge assumptions, identify blind spots, and offer innovative solutions. Many assume ethical leadership is about avoiding mistakes. In reality, it's proactive. It's about anticipating challenges before they arise. Ethical leaders don't just react to crises, they create environments where ethical risks are identified and addressed early. Another misconception is that ethics slow down innovation. On the contrary, ethical frameworks often foster trust, which is the foundation for sustainable growth and innovation. When stakeholders trust an organization, they're more likely to support its initiatives, even when those initiatives push boundaries. Some people also believe that ethical decisions are always clear-cut. In reality, leaders often face complex dilemmas with no easy answers. Balancing competing interests, navigating gray areas, and making tough decisions are part of the job. Ethical leadership requires courage, critical thinking, and a commitment to doing what's right, even when it's difficult. Ethical leadership isn't an option. It's the foundation of sustainable success in the digital age. It's about more than compliance or avoiding scandals. It's about creating organizations that thrive because they do the right thing, not despite it. How do you see ethical leadership shaping the future of technology and organizations? Share your thoughts in the comments. As always, be sure to like the video, subscribe to LearnFormula Education, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.